we have a different kind of problem when we came to work. Most people can't do the work properly when they sit to work because they can't concentrate on the work for various reasons. Like when you sit down to work, you remember different things. It takes more time to work, or when you sit down to work, it's not done properly. So the result of work is not good because of such problem. Many people suffer from this problem. Forex trader also face this problem. So we will discuss this issue today. I hope you will stay with us. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. People get frustrated day after day because they can't get good result just because they can't do work properly. As a result, people fall further behind. People can't reach their desired goal just by falling behind. That's why today we will discuss how to increase focus on work. The first of these is pick the best time for your work. Everything has a specific time. For example, it's said to read in the morning because then the brain is fresh so you can easily absorb any difficult task. If you choose a time when it's difficult to work, or you set the time for work at noon, then it will be difficult for you to concentrate on that work, because after lunch at noon, naturally people have feeling of sleep. Then of course you will get bored, for which you can't work properly, and the result of the work will not be good. So you have to choose the right time for your work. I hope you understand for yourself which is the best time for you. You can do a job, keep a list of all your tasks in a diary, then work according to the diary. If you maintain a routine in this way, it will be much easier for you. If you write down what you will do and when you will do it, your interest in this work will increase. So you can follow this thing. Wake up early in the morning and focus on yourself. The most common habit among many of us is to start the day by waking up, checking message and notification. It's okay to stay updated, but because of this, at the morning your mind is set up with social media, because you have given place to social media in your fresh mind when you woke up in the morning. You can be more inclined toward it. Moreover, various studies have shown that people are addicted to game or social media just like they are addicted to a drug, which is why most of the time people are going to spend time in social media. There has no profit. It wastes your time and has a bad effect on your work. So before starting the day with message check, focus on your work, give yourself time. You can get up early in the morning and do light exercise or meditation. Then do a good breakfast will increase your interest in work. Then if you want to check the message or notification, it will not be a big loss, but the benefit will be more to you. Next one is turn off your social media notification while at work. Many times it seems that the biggest obstacle to work is social media. Checking the phone repeatedly due to notification. Concentration in the phone is now an epidemic disorder. I hope there are many examples. People spend lots of time on Facebook or other social media. There are people who are on Facebook all day long. We go to check notification, but we spend a lot of time on different social media. Suppose a notification comes when you are sitting down to do a job. You go to see it and then you waste your half an hour to check your notification and replay. In this case, you lost your half an hour from your allotted time for that job. Many people waste more time on social media by doing this. Their work is not done properly, and it will happen or how they waste their whole time. Their work is not done properly and they waste their time by doing this. Avoiding social media may be difficult for you because it's difficult to avoid social media because this is your habit. But if you keep your mobile phone away or keep it silent, it will gradually become a habit. So try to stay away from this. The next one is refrain from doing too many things at once. People can't take care of many things with one mind, and if it can, then the result is not so good. You can work while listening to music, but you can't do one thing while doing another thing. Or if you change your work frequently without finishing one task, that is, if you do it for a while and then do another for a while, it will not bring good result to your work, and it will take more time to finish the work. It will take time for your mind to change. If you change it in a hurry, it will reduce the productivity of your work. So try to finish the job at once. Then next one is take break and cut the big work into smaller. Almost all the time we feel bored to do work. This means that our brain has almost run out of glucose to work. So take the break in this position. This break doesn't mean that you spend your time in social media. You can take a short break by walking in a garden, or you can spend your time with your friend or family. As a result of this break, your brain will get enough glucose supply, which will always make your work productive, and a mind refreshment can help you every time. Does any work seems too big to you? No worries. To increase the productivity of all this job, break down the task into small one. This will make the task easier for you, and the bore feeling will go away from you, as well as your mind will feel fresh. Then last one is reward yourself occasionally. Don't work for a long time. Don't take too many pressure on your mind. Give yourself a gift when every task is completed. Practice this self-reward will help you to be more self-motivated. And if you can always be motivated by yourself, productivity will be your best friend, because long-time work and more pressure will decrease your productivity. Moreover, in order to get good result at work, there are some other things to keep in mind, such as the task that will seem difficult, it can be done by the other people. Eating nutrition food to keep the body healthy or going to sleep timely will make you fresh. If you want to do this, you can't do it for the first time, because it depends on practice like many other things. And if you do practice, one day you can overcome it. You always have to keep this in your mind, but you can face psychological problem when you maintain these things. So practice those things when you come to do work. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by Forex BD's link, you will get benefit. Forex BD can help you if you face any problem. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand our today's video, and I hope you can follow these tips. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And I will request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe Forex BD's another news channel. Here you will find all types of video. And those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.